Alright, so before I proceed, there are two terms I need to explain. The first one is toi, which means times. So for example, 2 times 2 is 4. In Ghana, that will be enyo, toi, enyo, eje. Another example, 10 times 10 is 100. Nyoma, toi, nyoma, oha. You got it? Great. Now the second one is abo. 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 This is a term that is added to any figure that is 10,000 or above. If you know the exact definition, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, now let's get into it. 1.
Ekome. Ekome.
10.
Nyongma. Nyongma.
100.
Oha. Oha.
1,000.
Akpe. Akpe.
10,000.
Akpe nyongma abo. Akpe nyongma abo.
100,000.
Akpe oha abo. Akpe oha abo.
1 million.
Akpe toi akpe abo. Akpe toi akpe abo.
10 million.
Akpe toi akpe nyongma abo. Akpe toi akpe nyongma abo.
100 million.
Akpe toi akpe oha abo. Akpe toi akpe oha abo.
1 billion.
Akpe hu-ha. Akpe hu-ha.
10 billion.
Akpe hu-ha nyongma abo. Akpe hu-ha nyongma abo.
100 billion.
Akpe hu-ha oha abo. Akpe hu-ha oha abo.